Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Canara Bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser as I have already opened the Microsoft Edge and bring up the search bar and type in Canara Bank login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link canarabank.com. Just click on that first link. Make sure it takes you to the official link. Scroll down a bit. Over here you can see the canarabank.com. Just click on that link. Now you'll be directly taken to the login page of Canara Bank. Over here you just need to enter your username. Similarly, enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on I icon to see your password. Click on remember me for further use. But I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. And just copy the code over here. And once you click on sign in button, you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgot password to recover your password. And similarly, if you forgot your username, just click on forgot username to recover your username. This was for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest video. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.